and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oyenike, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Kindly click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos, and if you are returning, yay, you're welcome and I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. So we are now officially in the month of December, and you know what that means? Vlogmas. Yes, Vlogmas is a thing on YouTube where you get to vlog every day. Like, you put a video on your YouTube page every day till Christmas. So that means you're doing 25 videos. That is tough. And to think I don't have a content yet, but I pray I'm able to pull through. At least I will upload as much as I can to at least be part of this year's Vlogmas. So that is the thing. And today we are going to be starting by decorating our Christmas tree. Yeah, so basically we don't have a tree. Yeah. Having a tree when you have a toddler is a very risky one. So I saw something online about someone using a Christmas light decoration to form a tree, and I was like, this might actually work. It's a beautiful idea. Let me see if I'll be able to pull through, like a DIY kind of thing. And I just hope I'm able to do it today and, you know, put some lights. At least let's get into the Christmas mode. So that's what we are going to be doing today. And Josh is here, and I'm sure he's going to be showing a lot in this video, as you can see down there. Yes, he's going to be showing a lot. We are going to do the decoration together, and he's been wanting to show in this video. So this is Josh. Josh, say hello.
Hello.
So, you know what, let's just jump right into the video and see how far we can go. So this is the part of the sitting room we'll be using. This side, there used to be a picture frame there. I've removed it. I got this lights at ShopRite. I don't know, 40 multicolor mini lights. I'm using this previous lights from, I think, last year or last 2 years. I can't remember. I have this previous lights from, I think, last year or last 2 years. I can't remember. I got this. I feel it's cute, and it's LOL because that's like my best emoji. So using nails, yeah, I got this too at ShopRite. Let's get right into this video.